Larry Carson here with MarineMax Charleston. Today we would like to showcase the 2018 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. This particular boat has the light blue hull sides, and as you can see, when we move forward, we ordered it with the optional Bimini top in the navy blue, which really shows well. This one was also optioned with the stainless steel inserted rub rail, so it adds a nice touch to this particular boat. Dots and Geist is going to help me today with going through some of the options on this boat. And as we start forward, what we'd love to show you is your anchor locker. Very easy to access. There is no tight corners to clean. You have a built-in fish box the same way. If you look in here, there are no tight corners to clean. Has a great drain right over here, so it makes it easy cleanup after you've been out for the day. Also notice, as he's up on top of the boat, he could stand there, cast a net, a fishing rod. This boat really can double as a bay boat with a whole lot more space than the traditional bay boats. This one was ordered with the optional teak step, and this is real teak, not the flexi teak. As you can see on the console, plenty of room to install your choice of GPS and depth sounder here on the dash. Also, one thing they've done with this year, they actually made a nice recessed area forward so that you can drop your wallet, keys, things like that. You've got plug-in for personal devices as well as cup holders. One other thing here, we ordered this one with the optional Fusion stereo system, which is a Bluetooth unit, one of the best in the industry. Got more storage here inside the console with the battery storage and another pocket to put some other personal items. Now, the stainless Bimini top, guys, most boats in this category are going to have aluminum frame. Boston Whaler even takes and puts reinforcement straps across the middle here. Your friends should not be using this as a handhold, but they will, so it makes it much stronger, much more substantial. Now, the reversible helm seat has 4 different positions. Once you're fishing and sitting down, you can actually sit and face the rear and fish out of the back of the boat, or as you notice, it turns into a leaning post by moving it 1 notch back. And when you do so, one thing that Whaler does is they notch the bottom of the console to give you much more foot space when you're actually standing at the helm or sitting for your taller guys. Storage underneath the helm seat. Now, there is an optional live well that you can get on this model. You would lose the storage area. We've got additional storage because this particular boat we ordered with the full aft seat. A lot of storage in here, as well as a seat that converts from a bench back seat into a lounger for the sun worshipers. So you have a large sun lounge on the back of the boat. Very easy to get in and out of the boat. They have the largest swim platform on this size boat that I'm aware of, and even do a 3-step drop ladder. So it makes it very easy to get in the boat. You've got rod holders across the back of the boat, and you could add many additional ones to the railing on the boat. Again, this is the 2018, 17 Montauk from Boston Whaler. Thank you for looking, and if you have any questions, we can be reached at 843-747-1889 or at MarineMax.com. Have a great day and happy 4th.